Next thing is stay away from bad deeds. Stay away from bad deeds. Stay away from wrong things. Stay away from negativity. Stay away from negativity. By negativity, I mean stay away from wrong action. Don't do, in religious terms, the terminology I'll use is stay away from sins. Don't commit sins. Don't commit sins. Stay away from sins. Now, what happens when you do sins? What can be the sin? Lying. What can be the sin? Deception, deceiving somebody, fraud, stealing, so many other things. We all know what wrong things are. Nobody needs to know what exactly the wrong things are. We all know this. Everyone knows what wrong things. So we don't need to know this. Just ask your heart, whatever is the wrong thing, just don't do it. Because the moment we do wrong things, we give a subconscious message to our mind that we are a bad person, we are a wrong person. And when we give a message to our mind that we are a bad person, our confidence is shattered, our self-esteem is shattered, our confidence goes down. Let me give you an example. Let's say you see somebody doing wrong things all the time. Let's say there's a neighbor. You see him doing wrong things all the time. He is misbehaving with people. He's ungrateful. He steals stuff. He is a fraud. He's a scammer. And you see him doing all wrong kinds of things. Now, what do you feel about this person? What do you think about them? Wow, what a fraud person, what a bad person, right? Now reverse this. If you do this, not only everyone else will see this, but your own subconscious mind sees. Now, this is very important. This is extremely important. Your subconscious mind sees it. And when your subconscious mind sees you doing wrong things, what does your subconscious mind tell you? Your subconscious mind says, he's a wrong person. He's a bad person. Your subconscious mind is telling this suggestion about you, you are a wrong person, you're a bad person, just because you have been doing wrong things. So we cannot afford to do wrong actions. We cannot afford to do anything wrong. Unfortunately, guys, we are trapped in this world where we are bound to do good things. If we don't do good things, we will destroy our life. If we do wrong things, negative things will happen to us. Negative results will happen to us. This is a divine principle. We don't know how it works, but it works. That negativity will come to you, something wrong will happen to you. And on top of that, the punishment that I'm talking about, the wrong thing, you may get into trouble, legal trouble. You may get divine punishment, and you may get legal punishment. And on top of that, your subconscious mind is seeing you doing wrong things. Your confidence and self-esteem is. Guys, I have worked with so many prisoners in my counseling career. I have worked with so many prisoners, and I can tell you one unique thing I have seen in all prisoners come: low self-esteem and low confidence. People don't know why they have low self-esteem and low confidence. Major reason is that they have done wrong things in their lives, and that has destroyed their self-esteem and confidence, and it's a vicious circle. When they go to prison, that further gives them a message that you are a prisoner. Their self-esteem goes down. You cannot live the life you want. Their self-esteem goes down. You cannot live the life of your dreams. Their self-esteem goes down, and they get into this circle, vicious circle, and their self-esteem goes down and down and down. And I have dealt with clients, the patients who had, if there is a negative I mean, there is a self-esteem, okay, 100 points, there is one at 0, right, at the baseline, when there is no self-esteem at all. Either you have a self-esteem or no self-esteem. But if there were a negative thing, minus, I have seen clients, and major reason was the previous wrong actions that they have committed have destroyed their self-esteem and confidence. So do the right things all the time. It doesn't matter when somebody is looking at you or not. If somebody is looking at you, wonderful, you're doing the right things. But the real person is, the person of character is, who does the right thing when nobody is looking at it. When nobody is looking at it, do the right thing at that time. When nobody is looking. Stay away from wrong things when nobody is looking. Then the level of confidence you will see, the way it rises, your whole body language changes, your whole personality changes, because your subconscious mind tells you, you are an amazing person. Wow, what an amazing person. That's your subconscious mind is telling you. So try to understand that doing the wrong things will have a negative impact on your self-confidence, and doing the right things all the time will have positive impact on your self-esteem.